Hello, my friends. I'm here in sunny Southern California. It's a little warm. I'm in the teaching van. I'm not going to be home tonight, and I wanted to get this video out. Don't let this information fly over your head. It is very useful. We're just making more of the neck comfortable. So if you're in, let's just say A major, you're not sort of just stuck in this position, and then, oh, if I drift up a little bit more, I can, now it's a little blurry, right? We want to get the whole neck, really, and this is part of it, to be that comfortable, right? So if somebody is playing, let's just say an A major, that you can go wherever you want, right, and be totally comfortable and not just stuck here and then it starts getting blurry on both sides. So I really, really love this one. A major, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. And then we should have used our A major pentatonic. Let's add those notes in. So the A major pentatonic, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1. Okay, it's missing a 4 and it's missing a 7. Let's put it in. Okay, so I've got my 1, 2, 3. I know my 4, excuse me, is a half step above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know that that's my root note, right? So I'm just gonna go half step below. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So now I have this. Okay, awesome. What does that visually look like? It visually looks like F sharp natural minor. Now, why is that? They're relative, right? Relative major and minor. Okay, and it would make perfect sense. I usually like to tell a student, like, we're going to count backwards. So we have our A major, 1, right? Our tonic, the major scale, Ionian, tonic. 1, back is 7, back 1 more is 6. So when we're playing in this position, right, it's sort of mimicking the 6th position, or Aeolian, or my natural minor, okay? Now, what gets a little bit tricky here, all right, so that's just positionally, and I want to make this point pretty serious as we're going through this. If I am in A major, right, and I'm messing around, right, and I do decide to bring it down here, that doesn't mean now I'm technically playing an F sharp natural minor. I'm still playing A major. I'm using the visual of F sharp natural minor because it's 6, 7, root note, right? So that position is the same notes, right? But what I don't want to do is start doing, like, really hammering that F sharp minor, or F sharp, I should say, because I'm still in A major, right? I'm just taking those notes, same exact notes, I'm just playing them in this position, right? It's how we're bridging out the whole neck, right? So, should be pretty easy. Now, that also does happen, you know, if we're doing a blues, right, in A blues, and then we'll do something, you know, you could even take that shuffle and sort of play an A major pentatonic. Cool, right? But what will usually happen is when we get to this position, because we're so used to playing like that, when we get down here in an A major pentatonic, we do start doing like, and that's not what we want to do. You know what I mean? We want to play it as an A. Okay, you're gonna hear some pretty bad intonation on this guitar. I do apologize. You will hear that. So don't get stuck into the position. You're playing the notes in the key, creating the melodies that you want to create, okay? So what the purpose is not being stuck, right? So if somebody is playing in an A, like, I could do there, or kind of slid into it, you know, play it wherever I want to play it, and I'm not stuck into just one area. So if you put on an A backing track, you know, you sort of play around. You're using the visual of F sharp natural minor, or you can always use the A major pentatonic as your backbone right? Hitting the 4 and the 7 that aren't in there. This is very useful for that. It starts opening up this whole position. Now, what I love about this is let's transfer this over to the other modes, right? If I have Lydian now, right? My A Lydian. Cool, right? And I know 1, 2, 3, sharp 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, sharp 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Great. Okay. Now I can take the relative. How am I going to do that? I'm simply going to count backwards, right? If I'm in Lydian, A Lydian, that's my 4th mode. 4, 3, 2. So if I'm in this position now, it's going to mimic the position of an F sharp Dorian, right? So just like before, if I take my A major scale or A major pentatonic scale, 1, 2, 3, sharp 4, 5, 6, 7, or 7 there, 1, 2, 3, sharp 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Looks a lot like an F sharp Dorian, okay? Same deal. Right, whatever I'm playing, here, if I decide I still want to be playing as though it's an A major or Lydian, you know, because it is a major mode, right? Rather than sinking into what I would play if it was F sharp Dorian, right? Because my target notes are different, my root notes are different, etc. So positionally, they do look very similar. Mixolydian, A mixolydian. Cool. All right, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7, 1. Okay, your mixolydian, your standard mixolydian position. And then if I just take the F sharp Phrygian, but I am in A mixolydian. Okay, so those are the positions there. Now, this works. If you take all of that, this works in the reverse. What I mean by that is if I do have pretty standard F sharp, sort of F sharp Phrygian riff, and you are playing in, and you want to jump up here, right now I can do the same thing. Oh, I'm in F sharp Phrygian, cool. I can start up, oh geez, picking from the position of A mixolydian, but making sure I'm picking and choosing the notes that are relevant to an F sharp Phrygian. So same deal. If I'm in natural minor, you know, I can, oh, there's that bad intonation, you can hear it. Right, I'm sort of up here now, like sort of in this A major position, right? But I want to be picking and choosing my notes relative to the F sharp natural minor scale. So I hope that helps, right? I do get a lot of messages. I'm not assuming anybody's skill level or anybody's inability to absorb this, but I do get a lot of DMs specifically about sort of like the number systems and things like that. So message me if you need to. I really like this lesson. I hope that it works for everybody, and I will see you soon.